name is Jim Bratner. I'm the head of the warehouse for Krones Incorporated, and we are here in Franklin, Wisconsin. We are the #1 supplier of bottle handling or bottle packaging equipment in the world. My primary responsibilities are my personnel, and then picks per month. When we decided to go with the Joeys, we were using all of the ladders up and down the aisles. They're fine for lighter, smaller items, but when you have heavier items, they're proving to be unsafe. When our personnel are holding a ladder with one hand and a big, heavy, large box with the other hand, it's very unsafe. They got two hands to carry a box, and now they can't hold on to the ladder. We just felt it was just a matter of time before somebody was going to stumble, somebody was going to trip going either up or down the ladder, and they were going to hurt themselves. Using the Joeys, it's so stable, it's so solid. You raise up, go down, there's no wobble when you're up top. I mean, it's just a very solid, sound unit. We brought in some other competitors that we researched online, and we found the Joey to be the most stable and the most economical for our dollar. Another part of our problem was that we had so much product coming in. We do 40 to 45,000 picks per month, and we have so much inventory that we've outgrown a warehouse, but we can't get a bigger footprint. Our aisles were all 9 feet wide, like 30 feet long, and rather than going with a 30 feet long, we flipped them end to end and condensed the aisle space to 5 feet and just did one long continuous length. We condensed them to 50 inches, and that way the Joeys can get down the aisles, and we doubled the storage space of the warehouse with the same footprint. We started with one, and it proved so efficient that we ended up getting 2 others. Now we have 3 total. It's so nice to be able to drive it to the rack, raise up, grab the product that you need. You can go grab multiple parts. It's got a large storage tray on the front of it. You're not limited to just grabbing one thing and then going back. You can pick multiple parts with the use of the Joey. It moves faster than we can walk. We've probably doubled our productivity using it. Well, what made the Joey the right decision for us is we were able to condense the warehouse, double our storage capacity, increase our productivity, all at the same time making it safer for our employees. It's an all-around win-win for us. We've had the first Joey that we purchased approximately 3 years. We've had no issues, and they're so reliable that when we opted to get 2 more personal lifting devices that we didn't even look elsewhere. We just went right back to Big Joe. We've had no maintenance issues. We've had no problems with great product reliability. It's been a really good unit. We were so impressed with Big Joe that we purchased a Big Joe pallet stacker as well. The Big Joe products and service that we've received have been fantastic. Every one of our employees enjoys using them. We've had no safety issues. We've had no maintenance issues. We would purchase from Big Joe again. Cost comparison, we've done our homework, and they came in below any other type of equipment, and they perform to our satisfaction. That's, I guess, all I can say.